Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I welcome you to my new amazing project restaurant website. So in this we are going to see this beautiful simple restaurant website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here we have a beautiful header with hovering effect on the links and then a button to book a table. And then here we have another button to book a table. Then here we have a beautiful image. Then here we have a about section. In this about our restaurants, some pictures of our restaurants, and then here our service, yummy foods, better chef, and door step delivery and subscription. Then in our menu section we have this beautiful menus which you can see, and then we have a contact section where you can contact with us, and then in here we have a footer. Then when I click on home button, it's already on home button, so it will stay on home button. When I click on about button, it will go to the about page. When you click on the service, it will go to the service, this. And then when I click on menu, it will go to the this menu section. Then when I click on contact, it will go to the contact page. So you can see that it's working fine. So now check for responsiveness. So it is responsive for all the small devices also. So we are using iPhone 12 Pro. So in iPhone 12 Pro, which you can see, it's fully responsive. It's fully responsive in iPhone 12 Pro. Let's check another iPhone XC. So in this also we have a fully responsive. So it's responsive for all the devices, and we have made this beautiful restaurant website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So now we will see how to code this project. So let's start. I'll show you part by part how it will work. So first of all, come to our desktop. Here we have created one file. Then this file we have imported in our VS Code. So here we will create a new window. Okay, and then in this we'll import our new folder. So let's import our new folder. So we have selected the folder. Then in this folder we are going to make a restaurant. So now in this folder we create a file index.html. So one more file we will going to create, style.css. Then one more file for script.js, for JavaScript file. Okay, so first of all we'll see the index.html file. So here we'll write the basic structure of our HTML file in our. So if you press this and press enter, then the basic structure of HTML page will be displayed. Then here we can write our title, restaurant website. Let's go live. So here you can see that our title restaurant website in above tab bar. So we have already coded this, so we are going to see this code. I'll copy and I'll show you. First we will copy this and then come to our this window, then paste it here. So here we have linked our style.css file, then here we have a font family link, and then we have a bootstrap CDN link for getting icons. So now in body tag we have a header section. So for that header section we are going to copy our header section. So we will copy this and we will paste it here, our header section. So in header section, so we'll paste it here and we'll save it. When you go for sync, so here you can see that our icon and this list and the food for heaven. So then we are going to copy the CSS. So this is another font family, Roboto, and you can copy this font family also if you want, and we'll copy the header navbar and toggle button, so up to toggle. So we'll copy and we'll paste it in our CSS file. So come for our code. So you can see here a beautiful header is created with a beautiful hovering effect. So it's looking perfect. So what we have pasted here. So here first of all in our header section we have a tag header, and in this we have a class header, then we have a navbar tag, in this we have a class navbar and id menu, in this we have another div with for the logo, and then here we have created one more div for our nav links, and we have passed the class to the list, and for about section, service menu and contact section we have passed one id, so that when you click on the about section, menu links, you will go to the menu section. When you click on the about section, about link, so it will go to the menu section. So here it's about, so when you click on about, it will go to the about section. So we will see next. So now for home section, so here we have a home section, so we'll copy the home section. So here we'll copy and we'll paste it here and we'll save it. So and we have written the CSS file also, then we'll copy the CSS file also from our previous code here for home section. So we'll copy the home section. So home section about, so here up to here we have a home section, so we'll copy this and paste it here in our CSS file. So let's paste it here and we'll save it. Now see the changes. So here in our this original website, here before we coded we have an image also in right side, but here no images are there. So first we will import images. So in go to desktop, restaurant web. So what was the image we have pasted? So this image we have pasted. So we'll copy all the images and we will remove this JavaScript file style this file from the previous file. We'll copy the images only from the previous project. So we'll go to the our new folder 3 restaurant and we'll paste it here. So we will view this by large icons. So it's looking fine. So here is the name of the picture, George. So we'll go here. See, we have pasted our images which you can see here in our file. So let's see our project. So here it's looking perfect. So in before project up to here we have completed in our this new project. So both the we have a same name title. So we'll change the title so that you will not confuse. So here restaurant website. Here we write new restaurant website. So now we see the new one we are which one we are creating. So for that, so now we'll go for the this about section. So we'll copy the about section and we will paste it here in our new restaurant website. So we'll save it and we'll see the result. So here you can see that in about us we got the content, but it's not style, it's not looking good. So we are going to style it. So here about section. So we'll copy the about section and we'll paste it in our new restaurant website. So I save it. Let's see the result. So you can see that it's looking nice. So now come for another section. What are the other section after about service section was there? So we'll in our new website we'll copy the service section. So here copy it, paste it in our new website. Now see the result. So you can see that our service section content is looking fine, but we are going to style. Here we'll paste copy this service section CSS and we'll paste it in our style.css for our new website. We'll save it and go and see it's looking perfect. Now after service section we have a menu section. So with a beautiful hovering wheel and the details of the menu, about the menu name and the what was about our food item and the price. So we are going to see this menu section. So come for our HTML file for previous. So here we copy the menu section, we'll paste it in our new restaurant website of our HTML file, we'll save it here and we'll see the result. So here you can see that in our menu we have this content. Now we are going to style. So we'll copy the style. So you can style in other different also way. It depend on your CSS style skill. So we'll copy this menu section and we'll paste it on our new website and we'll save it and see the result. So you can see that our menu section is working fine. Now after menu section we have a contact section. So let's see our contact section. So in our contact section we'll copy the contact section code with the footer also, and we have a, so we'll copy with the footer section and we'll paste it in our HTML file of the new. So in our new restaurant website we have copied successfully, but it's not looking good, so we are going to style it. So we'll copy the CSS file. So copy the contact section CSS file, so we'll copy that and we'll paste it in our new restaurant website. Now see the result. So it's looking perfectly fine and our footer also looking good. So now our website is completely completed. So when you click on a about section, wait, let me cut this. So when you click on menu section, it will go to menu section. When you click about service, so you can see this service section. Then contact section, so you go to the contact section. But the problem is that it is not responsive. So we are going to make responsive. It's not looking good for the small devices. So we are going to make it responsive. So for every devices we have written some code. So here we have written for responsiveness for every size of the device. So we'll copy this and we will paste it in our new restaurant website and we'll save it and we'll see the result. So you can see that now it's responsive and it's looking fine. So before it was not looking nice, it was not responsive, now it's looking responsive. But when I click on this menu bar, it's not showing the menu links. So why it's not showing? So because we have not added our JavaScript file. So we'll copy our JavaScript file and we will paste it here, and also we have to link our JavaScript file. So here we have seen that we have linked our JavaScript file. So we'll copy this and we will paste it here and we'll save it and we'll see the result. So when I click on it, it's showing the menu links, and when I click on about section, it will go to the about section. So as you can see that we are on about section. So when you click on contact section, it will go to the contact section, as you can see on our contact section. So our website is fully responsive and it's working fine. So if you like our project, please like our video, share and subscribe. I will give the link of our source code. So that's it for today. So in next video we'll see the another amazing project using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with a new amazing project.